In the unfolding legal saga surrounding Sean Diddy Combs, a new figure has emerged, adding a layer of profound complexity and a deeply personal dimension to the narrative. Her name is Nicole Westmoreland, and she is the newest powerhouse attorney to join Diddy's defense team. But her story extends far beyond her legal expertise. It's a story of survival, resilience, and the enduring impact of sexual assault. Just as Diddy faces a barrage of accusations of sexual assault and rape from multiple individuals, Nicole Westmoreland carries her own painful history as a survivor. Back in 2001, at the tender age of 19, while working for a company assisting individuals with suspended driver's licenses, her life took a terrifying turn. According to Westmoreland's account, she was invited to Patchwork Recording Studio in Atlanta by Brian Williams, then vice president of Cash Money Records and a man known only as Stone, under the guise of a business pitch. On that fateful night, Westmoreland, accompanied by 3 female friends, arrived at the studio unaware of the danger that lurked within. She describes a large gathering, a seemingly ordinary social setting that would soon become the backdrop for a horrific act. It was there that she encountered Alfred Cleveland, a man she says was a friend of Ronald Williams, then president of Cash Money Records and Brian's brother. As the evening progressed, Westmoreland needed to use the restroom. Cleveland, she alleges, offered to show her the way. Trusting his seemingly innocuous gesture, she followed him. But instead of leading her to safety, Westmoreland recounts a terrifying ordeal. Cleveland allegedly forced her into the bathroom and subjected her to a brutal rape. Her nightmare didn't end there. Westmoreland claims that another man approached the bathroom door. In a chilling detail, she alleges that Cleveland instructed this second man to stand guard and then attempted to hand her over to him. It was only through her desperate pleas, her sheer will to survive, that she says she was spared further harm by this second individual. In the aftermath of this horrific assault, Westmoreland states that she was threatened against reporting the crime to the police, but despite the fear and intimidation, she found the courage to come forward. Her bravery led to the arrest of Alfred Cleveland, who was ultimately charged with rape. The legal process that followed resulted in Cleveland pleading guilty to the lesser charge of aggravated assault with intent to rape. Now, years later, Nicole Westmoreland stands as a seasoned attorney, a survivor who has channeled her personal trauma into a powerful career in law. Her decision to join Diddy's defense team, a man facing numerous accusations of the very crime she survived, is a development that has sent shockwaves through the ongoing legal proceedings. As the second day of jury selection in Diddy's federal criminal trial recently concluded, adding another 16 potential jurors to the pool, the arrival of Westmoreland on his legal team adds an unprecedented layer of complexity. Her personal history as a sexual assault survivor raises a multitude of compelling questions. What unique perspective and insights will Nicole Westmoreland bring to Diddy's defense, given her own deeply personal experience with sexual violence? How might her presence on the team influence the jury's perception of the defense's arguments, considering her powerful personal narrative? Does her own survival story create an inherent conflict or perhaps a surprising form of empathy within the legal strategy? Could her involvement signal a specific direction the defense intends to take in addressing the serious allegations against Diddy? And what does this significant development reveal about the evolving legal strategy as Diddy prepares to face a jury of his peers? The intersection of Nicole Westmoreland's past trauma and her present role in Diddy's defense is a story that demands our attention. It's a stark reminder of the human element at the heart of these high-profile legal battles, and the unexpected ways in which personal histories can intertwine with the pursuit of justice. Stay with us as we continue to unravel this complex narrative and explore the profound implications of this latest development in the Diddy case. Welcome back to CE Trends, where we delve into the intricate and often unexpected layers of celebrity news. If our introduction has piqued your interest in the latest developments surrounding the Sean Diddy Combs legal battles, the arrival of attorney Nicole Westmoreland on his defense team, then you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because this is a story that intertwines personal tragedy with a high-profile legal defense in a way we rarely see. As we've established, Nicole Westmoreland is not just another lawyer joining Diddy's team. Her own history as a survivor of a brutal sexual assault in 2001 casts a profound shadow over her decision to represent a man facing numerous similar allegations. This isn't just a legal maneuver, it's a deeply human story that forces us to confront complex questions about justice, survival, and the intricate web of human experience. Let's delve deeper into the details of Westmoreland's harrowing experience. In 2001, a young Nicole Westmoreland, just 19 years old, was working for a company that helped people reinstate their suspended driver's licenses. An opportunity arose for a business pitch at the renowned Patchwork recording studio in Atlanta, orchestrated by Brian Williams, then a powerful vice president at Cash Money Records, and an associate known as Stone. What began as a professional engagement soon morphed into a terrifying ordeal. Westmoreland, accompanied by 3 female friends, ventured to the recording studio, unaware of the danger that awaited her. Amidst a seemingly ordinary gathering, she encountered Alfred Cleveland, a man identified as a friend of Ronald Williams, Brian's brother, and the then president of Cash Money Records. What happened next, according to Westmoreland's account, is a stark reminder of the vulnerability and the violation that survivors of sexual assault endure. Seeking to use the restroom, Westmoreland accepted Cleveland's offer to show her the way, but instead of guiding her to safety, she alleges that Cleveland led her to a secluded bathroom, forced her inside, and subjected her to a violent rape. The trauma of that moment is unimaginable, a violation that would undoubtedly leave an indelible scar. But the horror didn't end with the assault itself. Westmoreland claims that as she lay vulnerable, another man approached the bathroom door. In a chilling detail, she recounts how Cleveland allegedly instructed this second individual to stand guard, further highlighting the predatory and dehumanizing nature of the alleged attack. In a moment of desperate courage, Westmoreland says she pleaded with the second man, begging him not to harm her, and in a sliver of hope amidst the terror, he relented and allowed her to leave. The aftermath of the assault brought further threats, allegedly aimed at silencing Westmoreland and deterring her from seeking justice. However, despite the fear and intimidation tactics, her resilience and determination prevailed. She bravely reported the crime to the police, leading to the arrest of Alfred Cleveland. The legal proceedings that followed saw Cleveland ultimately plead guilty to the charge of aggravated assault with intent to rape, a conviction that, while acknowledging the gravity of his actions, perhaps doesn't fully capture the profound impact of the sexual assault Westmoreland endured. Fast forward to 2025, and Nicole Westmoreland has forged an impressive career as a seasoned attorney. Her journey from survivor to legal powerhouse is a testament to her strength, her unwavering spirit, and her commitment to justice. Now she finds herself on the defense team of Sean Diddy Combs, a man facing a barrage of accusations of sexual assault and rape. This seemingly paradoxical situation raises a multitude of complex and compelling questions that we, as observers of this unfolding legal drama, must grapple with. Firstly, what unique insights and perspectives does Nicole Westmoreland bring to Diddy's defense, given her own deeply personal experience as a survivor of sexual violence? Could her understanding of the trauma and the legal complexities surrounding such cases offer a strategic advantage or a different lens through which to view the accusations against Diddy? Secondly, how might her presence on the defense team influence the jury's perception of Diddy's arguments? Will her powerful personal narrative, her own journey through the aftermath of sexual assault, create a sense of credibility, or conversely, a potential conflict in the minds of the jurors? Could her involvement humanize the defense in a way that might impact their deliberations? Thirdly, does Westmoreland's own survival story create an inherent ethical or emotional conflict in representing a man accused of similar acts? Or could her experience, perhaps surprisingly, foster a unique form of understanding or a strategic approach to the defense? This is a delicate and nuanced area that invites much contemplation. Fourthly, could Westmoreland's addition to the legal team signal a specific direction the defense intends to take in addressing the serious allegations against Diddy? Does her expertise suggest a focus on the complexities of trauma, consent, or the legal definitions surrounding sexual assault? Her presence undoubtedly adds a new dimension to the defense strategy. Finally, and perhaps most broadly, what does this significant development reveal about the evolving legal landscape surrounding accusations of sexual assault, particularly in the context of high-profile individuals? The intersection of a survivor's experience with the defense of an accused individual is a rare and potentially groundbreaking dynamic. The unfolding narrative of Nicole Westmoreland's role in Diddy's defense is a stark reminder that behind the headlines and the legal jargon, there are deeply personal stories and complex human experiences at play. It compels us to look beyond the surface and consider the multifaceted dimensions of justice, survival, and the intricate ways in which our past can shape our present. If you're finding this in-depth analysis of the latest developments in the Diddy case and the profound implications of Nicole Westmoreland's involvement compelling, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps us reach a wider audience and allows us to continue bringing you insightful and nuanced coverage of significant celebrity news stories. And if you're new to Seed Trends, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We are committed to providing you with in-depth analysis and the stories behind the headlines in the ever-evolving world of celebrity and entertainment. While you're here, we encourage you to explore some of our other videos that delve into the complexities of celebrity legal battles and the human stories that often lie beneath the surface. You might find our analysis of who are Diddy's lawyers, their past could predict his terrifying future, or our exploration of what everyone thinks about Diddy could be dead wrong and hurt him, particularly thought-provoking. You can find links to these and other engaging videos right here on the screen and in the description below. Thank you for joining us on Seed Trends as we navigate this complex and evolving story surrounding Diddy and the significant addition of Nicole Westmoreland to his defense team. We will continue to bring you updates and insightful analysis as this case unfolds. Stay informed, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.